Hi everyone, and thanks once more for watching our Pricing in 10 Minutes videos. Today is probably the biggest challenge for me. If you've seen the other videos, you've heard me speaking very swiftly. This is a very broad topic, and I hope to make it in 10 minutes. We're talking about tactics to grow a customer lifetime value. Many of you may struggle in having a single transaction with your clients, and we give a few ideas how to take it to the next and the next and the next transaction to boost CLV over time. Quick explanation: what is customer lifetime value? It's the total revenue contribution a business can reasonably expect from a single customer account throughout the entire business relationship. If you want to see it in a more, let's say, mathematical way, it's the average order value minus discounts, so net price times customer lifetime, how long, how often they are buying, and the conversion rate, so the probability a prospect becomes a paying customer. Especially this is important in freemium models and when you have clients that are not paying. We go through the different aspects and the input variables of the CLV. We start with the AOV, so the average order value. How can you boost your average order value? And you see here already that we have a lot of ways how to boost AOV. If you want to discuss the whole long list, feel free to reach out. Today, due to time restrictions, I also restrict myself to the top 3 usually, which are for increasing AOV. On the one hand side, creating bundles. You see this here for the streaming services, Netflix and Disney. They have different price points, obviously, in their good, better, best approach. They've created smart bundles, and this way they usually make more money than selling single movies at a time. Second point is smart defaults and price anchors. You see them everywhere here in a few e-commerce shops: Montella Mio, Snox, Unomao, Foodspring. I just take the first 2 of them. Montella Mio offers bundle discounts. If you buy 4 glasses instead of 1, you get a discount. Snox puts the default here on 4 pair of socks, so that you're not only buying 1, but 4 instead. Unomao also larger discounts, and what I also like at Foodspring are progressive shopping carts. So in the checkout process, it shows you if you spend another, in this case, 21 pounds, then you get a gift for free, and this way you boost your discount and put something on top on your shopping cart. Price differentiation is an important thing. In Switzerland, the iPhone is more expensive than in the US. Also, product and price differentiation makes sense. If you have an annual subscription for Amazon Prime, it's cheaper than a monthly subscription. And for students and so on, it's cheaper than for the full payers. So different segments, may it be by person type, may it be by country, make a lot of sense to cater for different willingnesses to pay. Second, discount. Obviously, discounts reduce your average order value in most of the cases, but discounts are not necessarily bad. They help you winning new customers. They help you winning customers back from time to time. That's why you should use them, but you should use them very selectively to increase your customer lifetime value. What we've seen working very well are first-time buyer discounts. This is an example from Bild. Feel free to listen to the podcast that I've set up with Daniel Mussinghoff from Bild Plus. He's explained it there. That lower prices for Bild Plus subscribers make sense at the beginning, but after 12 months they are being moved to the full price of $7.99. This way they're winning way more customers, and after the 12 months they have more recurring revenues because more customers come in at a lower price. Referral discounts can make a lot of sense. You see them everywhere from PayPal to Neotaste to ClassPass. Usually in this case, the one who is doing the referral and the referring friend or partner gets this bonus. This way it's a double whopper and a double effect. So this is something very common that helps you using discounts to win more clients. Retention is obviously one of the most important topics in your strategy to boost CLV. If you want to boost CLV, right, we've seen acquisition tactics here. Now retention tactics and the monetization tactics are likewise important. So which can be in the retention field, loyalty points, personalized recommendations, VIP memberships, or subscription programs for regular purchases. The simplest way to build a habit is to offer incentive after the first purchase. So we've had this acquisition tactics a few minutes ago. Now we're talking about retention tactics. And you see, especially in the beauty sphere, that building a habit is very important. So there are very often comeback discounts for buying a second time, but it can also be here on the for colors. What many companies do are setting up loyalty programs. You can give your customers monetary benefits, non-monetary benefits, or you can collect points if you buy for your birthday, for referring to other clients or future clients. So there are a lot of elements how you can design such programs in the end to keep you loyal, keep you engaged, and keep you buying more regularly. Another thing you can consider is setting up subscription models like Morning Glory, which is a subscription program for razor blades, so that you're not only buying them once, but buying them regularly because you need to. And also on Amazon, you see that there are subscriptions or diapers are very common product that are sold as subscriptions because, your baby may not need a diaper once, but obviously a package every few weeks in this case. Conversion rate. How do you boost your conversion rate with certain tactical elements? Again, here are a few examples: free trials, post-purchase incentives for your next purchase, low stock alerts, or money-back guarantees. Again, a few examples. You see it here on the Snooze project for matrices. They are just sending you the matrix for free. You get a 100-night free trial. And once you've tested it, it's maybe less common to send it back and more common to keep it. Microsoft 365 is for free in the first month. You can try it out for your entire company. And afterwards, again, it's more likely once you've used it and you've built this habit of working with Excel and Word, it may be less common to switch to Google or to something else. Freemium can be a good option to then move your free customer base to paying users. Spotify does that very well. Usually you get a month for free and then the free customer base you can use it for free as long as you want, but obviously you cannot choose all different songs you'd like to hear. You cannot create playlists. You cannot use it on smart speakers. So at a certain point of time, you will be moved to Spotify Premium, to Spotify Duo Family, or whatever, to then being monetized in a subscription model. On booking platforms, you see pages like here on the left-hand side with a lot of text boxes that show you that you must now book immediately because it's a last-minute price drop, in high demand, 2 rooms left, price stable for 23 hours. You see all these texts which have to be true somehow, otherwise they get in legal trouble, these booking platforms. But they're using it very, very actively to let you book or incentivize you to book right away. Whoa, I actually made it below 10 minutes, probably because I stressed myself. It's a surprise. If you want to learn more about pricing, about how to optimize your customer lifetime value, feel free to get in touch, to follow me or my colleagues on LinkedIn, or to listen to our podcast, Pricing Friends. And I'd be happy to see you on one of our next webinars, or if we speak in one-to-one. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.